Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a new line of prefab homes bringing some serious style to the industry. This year I've been talking a lot about the new prefab home companies entering the market, which has been a shocking amount, but lately I've noticed a new trend. On more than one occasion in just the last couple weeks, I've come across companies who were building traditional site-built homes that have made the switch to building off-site. I've been running my mouth about the benefits of building off-site for a while now and have my own reasons for liking this industry, but I think this company put it best with their tagline, "Modular is king." The company I'm talking about is called Supermod, with their lineup of stylish homes that are available now. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, check out their homes, and look at their pricing. Supermod is a company that made the switch to building off-site and now has a factory up and running, building some of the finest looking homes I've seen. On one of the recent Instagram posts, they said, "Before we built modular, we built custom homes on site. We understand the time and cost savings a factory-built home brings to our clients. Contact us for details on designing a custom home built in modules in a factory." Straight from the horse's mouth from a company that's done both. Building homes in factories is not a new idea. However, it is an idea that seems to be getting a lot more attention lately, and the result is more options for buyers. And that's what we want: choices and competition. They say as homes and buildings are becoming more costly to construct and maintain, the adoption of residential and commercial factory build construction is becoming more common. I think this is just the tip of the iceberg. As more companies enter the space and refine the systems, processes, and technology being used to build, the benefits of this segment of construction will increase, likely leading to more off-site building. Supermod describes themselves as creators and collaborators, dreamers and doers. They say, with a commitment to our environment, sustainability is embodied in our business ethos and is embodied throughout our design, construction, and installation. Discover the difference, build with Supermod. It's hardly relevant, but I think it has to be noted that the name Supermod is a slam dunk. It's easy to remember and basically falls out of your mouth when you say it. Supermod. They have a pre-designed line of homes to choose from, or will build fully custom units, but before we get to that, let's check out what they're building with. Supermods are manufactured using advanced 3D printed steel frames and CNC manufacturing technologies to ensure components fit perfectly. Their website says Supermod's tightly integrated design and engineering teams have decades of experience to create and deliver leading-edge environments that are beautiful and timeless, putting thought into making our homes the healthiest living spaces around. Using steel in modulars comes with a long list of benefits, and they've selected their top 10 to present to potential customers on their website. Number one, it's sustainable. Steel is one of the most recycled materials on the planet. At the end of a steel building's life cycle, 100% of it can be recycled. Number two is it's precise. Their structures are printed within 1 millimeter of their design drawings. Number three is it's lightweight, which reduces shipping costs and foundation requirements. Number four is it's bug proof. Number five is it's fireproof. Steel is 100% non-combustible and will not promote the spread of fire. Number six is it's engineered, meaning it has precisely known and calculated load-bearing capabilities. Number seven is it's fast. Apparently, their automated framing system can cut installation time by up to 75%. I would agree that does sound pretty fast. Number eight is the strength. Number nine is it is not wasteful. They've got less than 2% overall waste within the printing facility and 0% waste on site. And finally, number 10 is it's healthy. As always, none of that matters if their homes are fugly, so let's have a look at what they got going on here. The Supermod designs cover what I would consider to be most buyers' needs, with a lineup of dwellings ranging in size from a 561 square foot 1-bed, 1-bath to a 1900 square foot 3-bed, 2.5-bath. On top of that, they also offer 1- and 2-car garages called the Lund, something I get asked about quite often. Starting with the smallest of everything they offer is their ADU called the Mariner. First things first, I think they did a fantastic job with the exterior of this home. It's modern, but with a touch of traditional, with the way the windows extend above the slope of the roof. I really think this looks cool. The design was by Sushko Designs, their first collaboration with Supermod, but hopefully not their last. The description says the floor plan of our Mariner unit will meet all of your needs. This 1 or 2 bedroom innovative accessory dwelling unit will fit almost any property. The spacious primary bedroom has a walk-through closet and full bathroom. The open concept kitchen, dining, and living with oversized windows and doors complement the Mariner layout. Like all Supermod designs, the Mariner comes with standard premium finishes, including quartz countertops with waterfall edge, custom cabinets, 10-foot ceilings, and a heat recovery unit, ensuring your home's temperature will stay consistent, keeping your annual costs down. Supermods are built to the highest standards with a steel frame that will last a lifetime. A couple takeaways from the Mariner. First, this plan is about as open as they get without being a studio, and I like that. The end of the home is a full wall of glass, and the windows on the side not only give it a unique look from the outside, but also create almost a skylight type feature on the ceiling inside. I think this is a great plan for 1 or 2 people and something I could absolutely see myself living in. Right in the middle of the Supermod pack for size is the Sonora. The Sonora is a comfortable 1,070 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a den, and a separate laundry room. I wasn't joking when I said I liked the look of the designs, and this is no exception. Big fan. The black vertical siding with wood accents and pergola really slaps. Inside, one half of the home is the entire living space, kitchen, and den, and the other has bedrooms, bathrooms, and storage. The description says working from home, 1 extra space. This 1,070 square foot home has 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a flex room for your office or yoga studio. In addition to an open concept kitchen, dining, and living room, there's a laundry room and storage. Sonora has just what you need to feel at home. The living space section of the home is similar to what I live in now, so I'll sign off that it's a functional space. People in the kitchen can still talk to whoever's in the living room watching reruns of The King of Queens, and that's what I'm looking for in a space. A consistent theme through the lineup is big windows and natural light, and the Sonora is on theme with an oversized 8x11 glass sliding door off the dining room. The biggest of the entire Supermod lineup is known simply as the Grand Poobah. No, it's actually called the Morel, and I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. The Morel is 1,900 square feet over 2 floors with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, comes with a garage and 2 living spaces. On the main floor, they've set it up with the garage taking up most of 1/2 of the home with the laundry room and entrance at the back. Working from back to front, the other half of the home has the stairs, the half bath, the kitchen, the dining room, and a living space. Upstairs, there's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a second living space, so I really think this would be a good option for families. The description says the floor plan of our Morel model will meet all your needs, complete with 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a powder room, storage, and a laundry room. Your primary bedroom has a walk-in closet, 4-piece ensuite, and oversized doors to your very own covered deck, so you can enjoy it all year round. The open concept kitchen, dining, and living complement this Morel layout. Not surprising, another really cool looking exterior that I think people will like, but let's get into the pricing. Supermod is located in Campbell River, BC, so prices are listed in Canadian dollars, but I'll convert to USD and post at the current exchange rate. Keep in mind, prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The Mariner has a total cost of $179,900. The Sonora starts at $280,000, and the Morel starts at $449,000. Supermod is a new prefab home company bringing slick-looking steel frame modulars to the market. Things are changing in the modular industry, folks. Yet another new manufacturer with great looking homes that's going direct to consumer. I really think these will be a very popular option for those in the market to buy because they're right up there with some of the best looking exteriors I've seen. I'm interested to see how they're received in the comments and find out if they have plans to expand into other markets in North America. What I know for sure is I think these things look amazing, and I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.